Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put a Ford Taurus in neutral without the key. First, engage the parking brake and chock the wheels so the car cannot roll. Next, locate the shift interlock cover on the console and prepare a small flat tool. Keep your movements slow and deliberate and communicate with any helper. If you feel resistance, stop and reassess to avoid damage or injury. This step shows how to access the manual shift release safely and cleanly. Pry off the small plastic cover near the shifter using a flat tool, exposing the manual release or slot. Insert a flat screwdriver or similar tool into the slot and press down to disengage the interlock while gently moving the shifter to neutral. Maintain steady pressure and avoid forcing parts to prevent breakage or damage to trim or mechanisms. Once the release is pressed, shift the transmission into neutral with a smooth motion and minimal force. Verify the gear indicator reads neutral and ensure the vehicle remains blocked with wheel chocks. If the vehicle must be moved, have a helper ready to guide and one person to steer if needed. After use, replace the plastic cover and test the shifter with the key to confirm normal operation before driving or storing the car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.